What is up, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto. Today, I want to talk about, does anyone really know what's going on in the crypto market right now? And who can tell me down below in the comment section when the market's going to go back up, if it's going to go back up, is it going to go further down? Please, 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 I need some clarification on this. I think we all do. There's so many people online, so many people on YouTube, including, Keeping Up with Crypto, who talk about the market, talk about these things. And we all say that none of us are professional financial advisors, which is true. And, half of that is truth and the other half is just trying to cover our asses, right? Um, but, who actually knows what's going on with this market? I think it's a very, very, very small percentage of people. And I think the people who actually know exactly what's going on are not on YouTube. Honestly, I think it's those big whales who manipulate the market and work with lawmakers and things like that and know what's going to happen before it's going to happen. So I just wanted to kind of say, we give our opinions on here, and that's all they really are our opinions. So don't take them as fact. Don't take them, as set in stone. Because at the end of the day, crypto's so new and the market's so fragile that we really don't know what's going to happen day to day. Like, anything is possible. And so it's very important that not only do you get your information from sources you trust, like us here at Keeping Up with Crypto, but you keep it real with yourself and you say, look, we don't watch these guys because they are at Bitcoin headquarters, right? Which doesn't exist. I'm just using that as an example. We listen to these guys because they're entertaining, because we enjoy their content, and because we believe that their insight is credible. So think about that the next time you click on a cryptocurrency YouTube video, even ours, and say, look, what are we doing? Like, are we listening to these guys because we respect their opinion, or are we listening to them because we take everything they say as gospel? Because the latter will get you in trouble for sure. So yeah, I mean, don't think that just because someone's on YouTube that they know exactly what's going to happen with the crypto market. Because honestly, right now, I have no idea what's going on with it. Don't know where it's going to turn. Don't know what it's going to do. And that doesn't bode well for us. We were buying. I mean, we bought below this number, but we also bought above this number. So certain holdings and things aren't looking too pretty at the moment. We're holding. We're chill. We're not worried about it. I think honestly that the market will go up in March, mid-March probably, but that guess really isn't based off anything, to be honest with you. I just think as we get away from tax season and after the Chinese New Year passes and all that good stuff, which it's pretty much done now, I think, then we can start to see the market come back up a bit, and hopefully we can get some gains. I'm looking to take profits on the next swing up. That was something I failed to do on the last one. I just held on. And so when it goes back up, swings back up, I intend to take some profits and fork them into some of my stronger positions like we talked about in my strategy the other day. But yeah, so that's really all I wanted to say is just be careful about where you're getting your advice from, and be careful about who's telling you where and when the market's going to go where it goes, because it is at this point kind of a crapshoot. You know what I mean? So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. This has been Sean with Keeping Up with Crypto. See you later.